Hi, I'm Catherine Weathersby with Local Pays Profits, and I'm a business strategist. And today I want to talk about a conversation that I was having the other night. So, as you guys know, I do business consultations. And recently I have reduced the hour session to 30 minutes to allow people who want to have an initial consultation with me to come in and do a 30-minute, and then we can build from there. So as I was having a discussion about the number of people who have approached me about doing a business strategy session for their business, and as I was talking, someone actually had come into the link, which goes here, and they had filled out the information. Now I'm going to create a link for people who just want to have a business strategy session as a small business owner, or someone who's looking to start a business. So what happened was he came to this link and he followed directions. So he started here with his email address. He probably watched the video and found out what the next steps were. He went through a series of, filling out the form, and he got to the part where it says to put in your, go to the link and pay with your credit card. Okay, so once he got to that, which was the final step, to the link of where you go to pay for your session. Clicked on the link. Then it opened up to this. He then added it to cart, which is now a 30-minute consultation. For those of you who don't want the full hour, you can get started with the 30-minute session. He added it to the cart. He checked out. It says put your full name, phone number, credit card number, and your credit card details. He then hit the green button and placed his order. So that was at 9:59 or 9 something that night. Okay, so the next day at about 9:30 or 10 a.m., he got a call from me. Okay, so he went from steps here, which is in the description box below this video. He followed the instructions. He watched the video to tell him how to go about to schedule his session. He followed those instructions, but then the final steps sent him here. He went in, he paid the fee, what he wanted, because there's several options here, and I'm going to add one more. Now, if you want to have a session with the moving business startup consultation, that is an hour-long session. It goes here. I also will be adding an Amazon link for those of you who have expressed interest in working with Amazon and you want to know exactly how to maximize this fourth quarter for Amazon delivery. So I'll be adding that one. That's an hour-long strategy session. And I will also be adding the hour consultation here. And if you want a general business consultation, I will also add a link for that, because you may want to know how you can go about starting a business. So I will be adding 2 to 3 more strategy sessions to the current ones that are available. So it's that simple to get started, but you do have to do the final step, which is come here in order to get me to reach out to you to set up your appointment. Okay, so the days that I'm available are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday for the session. So make sure that you keep that in mind, and it does say that here on the form that those are 3 days right now that I have available. You can pick from morning, afternoon, or evening. So just want to make that clear. I do appreciate you, Walter, for coming in with your request for consultation September 17th at 9:58 p.m. And as you see, this is his information, it has his phone number, and everything comes up. So I know how to contact you. I know your email information, so then I can schedule. So when you see the form, you must complete it by paying for your session. And we had an excellent strategy session. I hope to bring him on the channel sometime in the near future to talk about what his business needs were and how I was able to help him to find viable sources as far as upping his game, as far as getting immediate business for his box truck. So if you don't have, companies in your area that you're aware of, or if you are looking for Amazon or other business models, reach out to me by going to the link in the description box where will take you here. But as I stated, the final step is to come to this page and to actually pay for your session, and then you will be contacted after you pay. Okay, you will be contacted to set up your session. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me in the comment box below. Please comment, like, and share. I'm very excited with my new clients, and I want to congratulate them for making the step, not just trying to figure it out or wing it, but actually getting expert help and assistance. Okay, so that's what an action taker does. They take action and they reach for the information that's going to bring revenue to their business. So I look forward to talking to you guys soon. Please comment, like, and share, and I'll see you next time.